Here we are at the gorgeous 3-bedroom, 4-bath home and Ocean Colony grand entranceway with double doors. Over to the left we have the master and the office. Right through these giant sliders we have a gorgeous saltwater heated pool and spa dining area. So let's take a tour. Tile floors and carpet in the office. And look at the beautiful details in the ceiling in the office. We have some decorative niches throughout the house and transom windows for extra lighting. We are 3 houses from the ocean. This is an extended California king bed, so there are plenty of space. And we have a his and her bathroom. This bathroom over here has a huge walk-in closet, large shower, and soaking tub. Plantation shutters. And then this is his with a large shower. It can also be a cabana bath. This leads out to the pool. And another large walk-in closet. Let's take a tour of the rest of the home. So as you enter through the grand double doors, you'll see we have decorative niches and lots of light with these large sliders. And a huge kitchen with a sub-zero refrigerator. And we do have gas for your range and warming tray for your cooktop there. And look at these seamless windows. It's like the tropics inside. Gas heated fireplace, extensive crown molding throughout. Let's take a peek outside before we head to the guest wing. Gorgeous pool with fountains and a spa. And we're on almost a ½ acre. Very private back here. You have your own private dog park for those of you that are pet lovers. Let me take you outside here. We have a little dog run complete with its own fire hydrant. We'll go back inside and check out the guest wing that has 2 full baths, and each bedroom has an ensuite bath. So 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths in the guest wing. It's almost like you're right there with the outside in. So this is the 2nd bedroom, and it does have its own ensuite bath. And the 3rd bedroom here, crown molding throughout, with its own ensuite bath as well. If you'd like more information, please send me an instant message, or you can contact me with my information is below. We are in Ocean Colony in this 3-bedroom, 4-bath home on almost a ½ acre. 3 houses from the beach. We have granite beach access. Thanks for joining us.